welcome to my channel once again. And if today is your first time, consider subscribing, and also don't forget to share the channel. Alright, so if you are interested in data analytics and programming, then this channel is the right channel for you. Without wasting my time, let's go straight into the classroom. Welcome back into the classroom. And in today's data analytics class, or SQL for data analytics class, we're going to talk about case statements. So case statement is used to, or it goes through conditions and return a value when the first condition is met. So it's just like an if else statement in other programming languages, right? So to do that, I have some scripts that we're going to use. Okay, so this is the script that we will use. So what this means is that we want to select the first name, last name, and age. Then we will use case to analyze it and output the following remarks. Okay, so as I said earlier, case goes through a condition. So when age is less than 19, then the remarks should be under age. And when age is greater than 30, then the remarks is over age. And when age is greater than 19, then the remarks is okay. So we end the case here and we name the case, or we give it an alias name of age remarks. And this has to be selected from the users table. So let me select all and execute this code. Right, so this is what we have. So it outputs the name, the first name and last name of the student. Then it checks against the age based on the condition that we've set in the case statement, and it gives out a remark. So in our statement, we said when an age is less than 19, then it means it's an underage. So all ages that are 18 outputs a remark of underage. Then ages above 19 is okay. Then ages above 30 is an overage, right? But you see that in SQL case statement, even though we said ages greater than 30, but then it included 30 in the output. One can argue that why didn't I bring the greater than 19 before 30? When I do it this way, we will not get the right results. You see that we didn't get any overage in the remarks, but then there is an overage simply because this first condition is met, so it affects the rest. So in order to get the right results, we need to bring this condition below the greater than 13. Okay, so basically this is how we use case statement in SQL, or in data analytics in SQL, to output records. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lecture.